What's up? So last night the cat brought in 2 birds and a giant moth, and one of them was still alive. One of the birds was still alive this morning, and I think it's fine enough. I put it back in the garden because it kind of like hobbled along and flew a little bit, so I think it's fine enough, hopefully. And I think the cat's probably going to stay in all day, so it'll be fine in the garden, hopefully. Yeah. Today was going to be Thursday hike day, even though it's like, I think Wednesday today. But it's grim out, it's been grim all week, and it's meant to be grim for like another week. Well, it's been good for weeks actually. We had like a summer, and then a whole load of rain, and then a summer, and then a whole load of rain, and then another summer, and now it's a whole load of rain again. So it's quite frustrating. I just want the sun. I've got to keep my tan up. Basically I'm going to do some kind of indoor vlog, try and be on camera, on frame. Yeah, I'm going to do some art and sort some bits out, and I guess I'll film that. It's nice to mix it up, I think, because otherwise all my vlogs are going to be literally just pictures, just snippets of like trees and flowers and stuff. So guess what tea I drink? Guess. Put in the comments your guess as to what tea you think I drink. I've sold a piece, sold a poster of my art. Ta-da! It's exciting. I love it when I get an order. Honestly, it's like, yes! Winning! There's a sale on my shop, on my Etsy shop, so if you want to check it out. Some stuff is 50% off. In fact, I think all of like the prints, or most of the prints, are 50% or 25%, and some of the art is like 25% off as well. So check it out! The link is somewhere. It's on Etsy. Also, those digestive biscuits, the marmalade on toast ones, they also do lemon drizzle. How weird. I have some bad news. I just went downstairs and she had gone out and got that bird and killed it. I felt bad putting it outside, but it was alive enough that I thought it might survive, but not. Like, it wasn't bloody, but it wasn't super healthy. It didn't like fly away, so I thought it's probably gonna get caught by another cat anyway. I don't know. Well, it's dead now. Evil! Gonna show you some of the pieces I've just done. I haven't done much because I've just been sorting bits out and like taking pictures for prints and stuff. I just did this. Ta-da! I like this one. It's pretty. I also did this. I haven't finished it, but it's the start of one. I'll just show you some of the prints that are on my shop and that are currently on sale. Just a bit of self-promo. There's a whole bunch of different ones. There's like all kinds of different sizes. You've got like little ones and medium ones. There's matte ones and there's gloss ones. They're just shiny. They look really cool. There's loads. There's also these tiny diddy ones which are really cool. These little mini prints. And then some slightly bigger prints. There's loads. All kinds. Ta-da! This should be the thumbnail. So yeah, take a look. I also do, I'll share with you, I also do custom pieces as well. You know, just to continue the self-promo. I do like the custom horoscope zodiac symbol things, as well as on board, this one's my symbol, as well as just random symbols, so like any kind of you know, an elephant, eye, butterfly, anything, as well as custom canvas elephants. This is one this is in the process. But yeah, you like choose the colours you want, and then some of them you choose the design you want. But yeah, check it out, or just drop me a message on any platform, because you know that's the point of communication. It's time for a tea break. I've been pretty busy. I've been sorting out some orders. I have like a bunch of different shops that I sell on, and sorting out some packaging, and then sorting out my art, because there's like, what can I put you there? Yeah, sorting out orders, sorting out plants, because I have a lot of plants, sorting out packaging, and my art, and you know, the dead bird that the cat brought in as well. This is my life. It's literally every day I go to the post box or the post office, or sometimes both, in fact usually both. That's my day, usually. And an adventure, of course. I always go on an adventure, but some days I need to not go on an adventure because I have stuff to sort out. Sunny now. Didn't go for the Thursday hike day on the Wednesday because it was grim, and now it's really sunny. Need ideas to go on these, my lovely candy floss space things. All that glitter. Look at them. Yeah, I need something to go on them, I don't know what. These are the custom elephants I was on about. So you choose your colour, and if there's a particular, I don't know, style you want, and then yeah, handmade, custom, unique, all that jazz. Pretty, metallic, sparkly, any colour. Boosh! Now this is a good look. Oh yeah. Talk about socks and sandals. Not just any socks though, funky face socks. Right, I'm going to end this here because I've got to go to the post office, and then my friend is on the way over to give me a lift to go get my jab, and then we're probably going to go on an adventure. So if I don't make an end, I'll make an end now, because I may or may not film the adventure. So I'll say goodbye now, basically. Bye. Super green. Noise. That's all the screaming. Feet, because these steps aren't very wide. Yeah, it's like kind of ripply. Yeah, it's like there's a layer of something on top. It looks kind of trippy. Island! Right here. He's back! The blue dragonfly is back! The little mission music playing in the background. Epic adventure tunes.